अबे भेज ना। अबे खाली उसी का ही, हाँ आउटपुट और मारेंगे दस जाएगा। उसको भेजे थे ना, क्या बोला जी, प्रिंट आउट निकलवाने के लिए भेजा होगा ना, व्हाट्सएप होगा उसको। और वो लिखल का भेजना। हाँ
हाथ हम आगे करेंगे पानी गिर जाएगा। दिमाग वाह जी वाह, ये तो चालू कीजिए वाला प्रारंभ कीजिए खाना। चालू कर देता हूँ पूरा।
रुको 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 रुको, अगर अगर वो
is on the digital platform. So whatever training we are going to provide you, that is not going to be less than an internship. Because it will be a theoretical plus practical plus application based training that we are going to conduct for all you students. Does it make sense? Yes? Yes or no?
We are from Idexel and we are majorly to transforming higher education in India, improving student employment quotient in AI-based careers and also into the other technologies. I think coding skills are important. Is in the way you become a problem setter is important. You have to think about these 3 points, very important for someone to become a good coder, someone to become a good application developer, someone to become a back-end developer. So there are 3 different things. So it's very important for someone to understand what they have to become. So now, about the thing that I'm talking about, so I'll talk about this one. Few things that are very important for someone. As I said, technology is important. I said that programming skills are important. Talking about emerging technologies. But before even going there, the right curriculum, right syllabus is very important. So, let's say like someone says, hey, my dream company is to go and join TCS, which is a services company, and someone come back and say, hey, my dream company is Microsoft. So for you to define these 2 things is very important. What TCS does, what Microsoft does, is very important for you to understand before even making a dream of getting a job in TCS or Cognizant or Microsoft. So how do you do that? How do you select the organization that you wanted to go and work with? Now, who's going to give you the awareness about that? Is it that you're going to go and do research about it, or is it someone going to come back and tell you, hey, Microsoft, you have to go and join because Microsoft does this kind of stuff? Can anyone answer to me, why do you have to, is it you going to research, or is someone going to guide you to say that you have to go and join Microsoft? Can someone answer to this? Okay, or medium size. How much time do you take? Can someone? When you go and solve a problem today, how much time do you take to solve it? Low level to medium level to high level, what is the time duration that you take to solve?
पता है क्या करने का मन हो रहा है? खाना खा के लिए तुम
Higher one?
ठंडा पानी।
That is medium or higher? Okay, that's good. Who else? I'm seeing.
Impose any kind of rules on you people, but as I said, it is important if you want to sit for placements, the performance also matters a lot. So we just don't want to make the students sit for the drives and eventually getting no selection, right? And secondly, the registration for this particular training will be done by the respective. So the student might be required to bear would be somewhere around 5,000 or maybe lesser than that. We will let you know the exact amount. But then we want the students to show interest before Friday. This Friday, right? And today is Wednesday, so you have 2 days to go. And unnecessarily, I don't want to extend the deadline for maybe next week or something, because whatever you want to decide, you will be able to decide only in 2 days.
करती है कि भाई नहीं मेरे को कल ड्राइव करनी है
करना है एंड दैट टू वो टाउन में आने के बाद
That's how it will be.
कि मैं यहाँ हूँ और कल सुबह 9
प्रोडक्ट
बजे
बेस्ड
आपके
कंपनी
campus
सब लोग ऐसे करते हैं, आपको इंटरव्यू है। You have to
इसीलिए
be
तो
ready
आपको
for that.
ट्रेनिंग दी जा
इसलिए
रही है
उसको
कि
preparation चाहिए।
फॉर एनी मोमेंट ऑफ टाइम यू शुड बी रेडी
And now think like a professional. Don't think like a student. If you keep on thinking like a student, you will remain a student only. Now you are going to enter into a professional world.
हमारा सिर्फ बेटी में क्या सब निकल रही हो।
चढ़ाइए दीजिए ऊपर। टाइम लिया